To register as an existing customer, visit afrox.co.za and click on Sign In or Register. Under New User, click the Register button. You then need to click on the Register Existing Customer button. You'll be taken to the Register Existing Customer page, where you'll need to select the relevant radio button depending on whether you want to be able to place orders or to view statements and pay invoices. After selecting the radio button, you need to insert an Afrox account number and the relevant Afrox order or delivery note number. Customers can also review the benefits for each account below. After inputting the correct details required, click on the Find My Account button. If the Afrox account is found, you will see a screen with details of your Afrox account. Select the checkbox to enable the New option, which will require you to input your details. These details will be sent to the account owner for verification. Once the form is completed, click on the Send Verification link button. The account owner will receive an email containing a verification link and the applicant's details from a no-reply email address for verification. The account owner should forward the link to the applicant to complete their application process. If the owner does not receive the verification link, please contact Afrox Customer Service. The link will take you to a page where you'll need to complete your eShop registration. Select the option to agree to the terms and conditions and select all other relevant options and click on the Open Afrox Account button.